I'm very pleased to have worked with the Learntec team to put together an English-speaking track on modern workplace learning. In this track, we'll be considering three main approaches that L&D can use to modernise their workplace learning activities. I want to just give a brief introduction to each here and mention some of the speakers who will be involved. The first approach is to modernise training, and I'm delighted that Clark Quinn will be running a session where he will be debunking the learning myths that have hindered the L&D professional. He will also uncover superstitions that plague the design of learning solutions and provide a process for cutting through the hype. Donna Clark will also be running a great session on the role of artificial intelligence in workplace learning, in particular covering the pedagogy of chatbots and their use within the workplace. The second approach is supporting continuous learning at work, and we have a number of speakers focusing on this topic. Charles Jennings will examine the challenge of engaging managers to support their team's development in the daily flow of work and explore some tools and techniques that managers can use to support their team's learning and performance improvement. Stephen Walsh will also be looking at why continuous learning in the workflow matters, and he will show how to easily curate recent and relevant content to support learning in the workflow. The third approach is promoting independent continuous learning, and Anka will share City's story of transforming the learning and development function by showing the campaign approach they took to embedding a culture of continuous learning at City. And Harold Jarkey will run an interactive workshop on hacking uncertainty through continuous learning, in which he will consider how self-directed learning and narrating our work are becoming critical skills as work teams ebb and flow. He will also present frameworks for sense-making in complex and chaotic environments. We're going to have 3 great days at Learntec in 2019.